Take a second to imagine you're a farmer in the highlands of Papua New Guinea. Geographically, culturally, economically, one of the most remote countries on Earth. You're isolated. Chances are, your neighbouring community speaks a different language. They might even have different customs. Money, everything is cash or barter. Roads, impassable for up to half the year. And yet, the connections people form are strong. Resources are pooled through the Wantok system, a kind of tribal social security which helps buffer the bad years. It's a rich life, a tapestry of difference, rich in resources and tradition, but it's also a hard life. The line between life and death can be a good rain or a bad rain. The Wantok system can lead to abuse and corruption. Women are, as a rule, disenfranchised. Surpluses can't get to market, and the lack of savings and capital mean improvements and developments happen slowly, if at all. For years, international organisations have tried to westernise how the Highlanders do business, and time after time they've been rebuffed, foiled by geography, tradition, lack of literacy and personal identification. Instead of forcing new connections, can we use technology to supplement the cultural connections that are already there? The Highlanders are natural entrepreneurs. Instead of a savings account, they trade for a suckling pig, which, when full grown, can pay for a year of their child's school. Let's work with that. Can we use their trust of the Wantok system to put in place systems of insurance futures? Can getting an account be as simple as having trusted community members vouch for them? Can that account be attached to a simple mobile phone, worn around the neck, that allows for every function that a brick-and-mortar bank would provide? Yes, it can. Even the most remote farmer is still part of a deeply woven cultural tapestry. The time of uprooting that life and calling it progress is over. International institutions must do things differently. At Westpac Papua New Guinea, they're listening, watching and learning how to take different cultures, different threads, and weave them together into a new image. One of respect and empowerment. Westpac Papua New Guinea are making sure banking becomes more inclusive by pairing simple-to-use technology with low-cost savings accounts backed up with face-to-face financial literacy training. Farmers can now check prices in local markets. Villagers with no experience of banking are remitting money using mobile services. And women are saving to pay for their family's health and education needs. Importantly, people are building a saving history that can later help them to apply for loans, to buy or rent equipment or property, and access credit.